I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you a question which can help you review the rational exponents we just learned. The question here is determine each value. Part A is minus of 4 to the power of 1 over 2 divided by 9. Part B is 27 over 16 to the exponent of 0. Part C is 24 over 81 to the power of 1 over 3. And D is minus of minus 8 to the power of minus 1 over 3. So you can pause the video, copy the question, solve, and then look into my suggestions. Now let's start with the very first one, part A, which is minus 4 square root divided by 9. So here indeed the question is minus is outside, okay? And then we have square root of 4. Now this square root is only for 4, not for 9. So that could be a possible error which one can do, right? So look at it very carefully. So negative is outside and this square root is only for 4, not for 9. So we have minus square root of 4 divided by 9. And therefore the answer for this question is minus 2 over 9. Okay, so that is how we can solve it. The next one is 27 over 16 to the power of 0. Now anything to the power of 0 is 1. So 1 is our answer. Now we have 24 over 81 to the power of 1 over 3. Now we know 81 is 3 to the power of 4 and 24 is, so we really don't have a direct answer here. So what we can do here is kind of tricky. We can write 24 as, we need to find the cube root, right? We need to find the cube root, so 24 can be written as 8 times something, right? We know 8 cube root is 2, right? So 24, let's write this as 3 times 8. And denominator is 81, which is 3 times 27. Do you see that? So I purposely split it in this fashion so that it becomes clear to you what kind of strategy we are going to do to solve this question. Do you see that? Now 24 and 81 didn't have a whole number as a cube root, right? But this splitting up, 24 writing in factored form as 3 times 8 and 81 as 3 times 27 helps to solve us this problem. Now 3 and 3 can cancel out and therefore we can write this rational number as 8 over 27 cube root. Do you see that? And that we know. Cube root of 8 is 2 and cube root of 27 is 3. So we get 2 over 3 as our answer. Do you see that? So I think that strategy which you learn now is kind of important as we move forward. Okay. Now the last one is minus of minus 8 to the power of minus 1 over 3. Now it's important to note that this minus is separate. So we have to keep it separate. Now it's minus 8. So to the power of minus 1 over 3. That minus will make minus 8 as reciprocal. So we could write this as 1 over minus 8. Do you see that? We could have written minus 1 over 8 also. Either way it is correct. So we have taken care of negative exponent. We are left with cube root 1 over 3. Now it is as if writing 1 over cube root of minus 8. Do you see that? Now cube root of minus 8 is minus 2. So we get minus of 1 over minus 2. Now minus of minus 1 over 2 will be positive half. So we get half as our answer for part D. I hope with these set of questions your concepts about finding rational exponents are very clear. Now we'll move on to the next set of questions where the answers will not be kind of whole numbers. So you could get radicals as the answer for the exponents. All the best. Thank you.